Hello, friends. You are welcome in our English class. You know that rumors are very dangerous. The journey of rumor has been depicted very clearly in the lesson The Boy Who Broke the Bank. The Boy Who Broke the Bank. An interesting story by Ruskin Bond. Nathu is the main character in the story. Nathu is a sweeper boy. He works for People Nagar Bank. Shed Govindaram is the owner of this bank. Nathu is very annoyed this time because he has not even received his regular payment. So he is thinking to leave the job of bank. Sitaram is another character. He is a washerman's son as well as Nathu's best friend. He helps Nathu to find his job. Mrs. Srivastav is third main character in the story. She is in need of a sweeper. When Sitaram come to know that time he tells Mrs. Srivastav that Nathu is with the bank just now, but they are not giving him his pay and he wants to leave the job. Mrs. Srivastav has to do some shopping, so she set out for the People Nagar market. At one end of the bazaar, there is a large shady tamarind tree. There she met Mrs. Bhushan, her best friend. First of all, they discussed here and there. Then Mrs. Srivastav tells Mrs. Bhushan said Govindram's bank can't even pay its employees. Only this morning I heard from their sweeper. After some time, Mrs. Bhushan left Mrs. Srivastav at the tamarind tree and she goes in search of her husband, who is sitting in front of the Kamal Kishore's photography shop. After meeting her husband, Mrs. Bhushan says, I don't know what's happening to People Nagar. Even the People Nagar bank is about to go bankrupt. In this way, Mrs. Bhushan changes some words of Mrs. Srivastav. Kamal Kishore surprised very much by the news. He gave call to the Deepchand. Deepchand is his neighbor, a barber. He tells him, Deepchand, have you heard the latest? The People Nagar bank is about to collapse. You would better to get out money out as soon as you can. The news shocked to the Deepchand as well as the customer in his shop. With one side of his neck still unshaven, the customer sped across the road to the general merchant shop and he dialed Shed Govindaram. But Shed Govindaram was not at home. He was holidaying in Kashmir. Then he hurriedly back to the barber shop, it means Deepchand's shop, and tells Deepchand the bird has flown, said Govindaram has leapt down. Definitely it means a collapse. In this way, friends, the words are little bit change from person to person. The news spread through the bazaar with the rapidity of the forest fire. The news spread throughout the people to the beetle seller, tailor, pre-vendor, the jeweler, and straight to the Ganpat. Ganpat is an old beggar who had a crooked leg. But after listening the news, he started leaping out to his feet and actually running to the direction of the bank. In this way, the news shocked everyone. The news startled everyone. Now men stood in groups at street corners and discussing the situation. And the only topic is about People Nagar Bank, the collapse of People Nagar Bank and said Govindaram. Now all people have gathered in the bank to get their money back. By noon, the small bank had gone through all with its ready cash. But after the afternoon, the people were returning back from the counters. They did not like the sound that to return to the following day. So they gathered outside on the steps of the bank shouting, Give us our money or we will break in and fetch the said. We know he is hiding in a safe deposit locker. Some mischief makers also joined the crowd and they aggravated their mood. The manager stood at the door and tried to placate the crowd, but it was all in vain. Meanwhile, a brick hurtled through the air and crashed through the plate glass window of the People Nagar Bank. In this way, throughout the day, there was lot of commotion, puzzling situation in People Nagar. Nathu arrived next morning to sweep the steps of the bank. He is very much annoyed by seeing all that garbage and broken glass and stones on the steps of the bank. And Sitaram is for his usual delivery round. While seeing Nathu, he gets down from his bicycle and says, "Are you ready to take up a new job from the first of the next month? You will have to, I suppose, now that bank is going out of his business." By listening that, Nathu is confused and he said, "How's that? I haven't heard about it." He is very much confused and annoyed. Now he awaited the arrival of the manager. He has determined to take his money and he thinks himself, who would have thought the bank would collapse? I wonder how it could have happened. Now friends, see, the story begins from Nathu and Nathu himself didn't know about itself. All that happened because of the spreading of the rumor. Initially, Nathu is annoyed because bank is not giving him his regular payment. That thing he tells to the Sitaram. Then Sitaram tells to Mrs. Srivastav. Then the news transferred to Mrs. Bhushan, Mr. Bhushan, Kamal Kishore, Deep Chand. The news goes straight to the Ganpat and throughout the village. And finally to the Nathu, who is not aware of the bank collapse. This is journey of